All right, guys. So I kind of dropped you guys off on the last video when I was showing you my yard, and I said I have big news. I did make a post on social media. A lot of people maybe saw, but my plans for Halloween completely changed. I know I started doing the I'm going to set up my yard series and did a few videos. An opportunity arose. Wolfie, are you really going to meow through my whole video? That cat, she wants to go for a walk. If I haven't talked about that before, but we have to walk this cat twice a day on a leash. Anyway, back to what I was saying. My plans completely changed. Carlin, that runs Terra on Two Jacks, approached me and said, hey, I had a guy call me and he was asking for assistance to do two haunted car washes. After back and forth deliberation and going, oh crap, that's in like a week from when they asked us, how are we going to pull this off? I went ahead and agreed to do it. So it's dinner time, and we did our first weekend, ended yesterday. It's every Friday and Saturday night all through October. Man, like we literally still have stuff coming in the mail, and I'll show you some of the stuff. But you know what? It's time for a Halloween snack. A stress reliever Halloween snack. So let's eat this. Let's try this. I bought this like a week ago and forgot I had it. Let's see how this is. It doesn't taste very peanut buttery. There it is. It's in there. Yeah, so every weekend I'm gonna be doing that. I don't know how much more or how many more videos I'll do of setting up my yard. I did quickly do a little bit this today on Sunday. I did the other side of my driveway, just one little front fence and then some tombstones. I still need to figure out if I'm putting my 12-foot skeleton out. I will be doing my yard on Halloween here at the house. They will not be open for Halloween because it's on a Tuesday. School night. People are going to be up to 11 going through a car wash. Glad and happy about that because I want to have my yard haunt here at my yard. So that's really fun. I'll try to do some stuff on Sundays maybe to visit some other yard haunts and drive around. I did take another couple visits to some of the videos that I did not long ago to see how much further along they've gotten. I might throw that on here, or I might do that on another video as a found yard update. So anyway, 2 haunted car washes, one in Round Rock. It's Quick Car in Round Rock on Old Settlers, and that's the one that I'm running with the assistance of Carlin. With the assistance of Carlin and his daughter Cammie, have been doing a ton of stuff for both haunts, and then I'm like on site at the Round Rock one. Carlin was there on Friday to help put up tarps and a bunch of other stuff. He's doing the audio. And then I ran it yesterday, and then him and Cammie ran the Lakeway location, which is, I believe, called Suds in Lakeway, or Quick Car. Used to be called Suds. Probably messing it up. I'll throw the banners in this video that I created for them as part of the contract. Yeah, I don't have videos of their theme is clown. The theme for the Round Rock one where I'm at is kind of pirate. I don't know if you guys know this. I'm not a big pirate haunt guy, but it's a car wash and it's wet. And I was like, well, it's like the ocean, right? And we didn't want to do the same theme at both. That way next year they can flip the themes. The Lakeway will be pirate and then it will be clown here. So kind of wanted to give them two themes on consulting with them on what to do. They liked it. So that's what we went with. So there you have it, guys. So you're going to get Steve's Haunted Yard updates as however much time I'm going to have. And haunted car wash videos, which may or may not be really fun. I'm hoping we ramp up as the weekends go. This weekend was really slow. They've never done it at this location before ever, so people aren't used to it. But I really feel like next weekend, it's going to be a lot busier. And we'll have a lot better lighting, more foggers, more stuff in place. Maybe I should do some unboxings of some stuff as it's coming in. Don't have a whole lot more coming in, but I do have a little bit coming in. They gave us a budget for ordering props, and I pretty much busted that already. So no more ordering for me. Julie said so. All right, guys, you know what to do. There's your update. Get your haunt on. All right, guys, I'm doing a thing. All right, guys, buying a couple skeletons here. Still not all that I need. I need more. All right, guys, I am at Quick Car Lube and Auto Repair. We're testing out some lights, and we are getting ready for a haunted car wash. So we are in Round Rock, Texas. We just ended up trying to figure out where everything was gonna hang. So we got this light up here, we got a fogger, we got skeletons hanging from each area. They're gonna pull up in here, and then they're gonna go that way around, all the way over there to the entrance of the car wash, which they are now putting up a big tarp to block it off, to fill it with fog and lights. And then this area will be filled with scare actors, entertaining all of our wonderful guests. Carlin just worked his butt off hanging both of these tarps.
Somebody had to do it.
Yep. It was fun watching you.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate that.
And then we got the monster face up here. We did have a bunch of skeletons here, but we took them down because, yeah. What do you think, Mr. Skelly? What you think, bro? You got red eyeballs? Yeah. Ooh, ha 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 ha. Haunted car wash. We've got the 14-foot Reaper. We got a big squid tentacle. Lights in place, got our tunnel fogging up. Got this covered up yesterday, pretty sweet. Got the lights going on, here comes our first call.